gagawin po namin ngayon is French toast with a twist again. So this is very easy to prepare. Perfect for lazy Sunday morning, and I'm sure your kids will love it too. So let's start preparing. Chocolate spread, butter, cheese, milk, condensed milk, 3 eggs, peanut butter, loaf bread, and breadcrumbs. So we'll start mixing our eggs and our milk. With the milk, you can add more of it or lesser. That depends on your preference. In here, I added about 50 ml of milk. That is, I think, good enough for my kids. So once we're done with our milk, we can now start assembling our bread. So we'll add our chocolate spread, our peanut butter, cheese, and you can add up jam, strawberry jam, or any favorite fruits for your child. So here I use 1 teaspoon of chocolate spread and maybe just a little bit of butter. I mean peanut butter. And once we're done with our bread, we can soak it on our milk and egg for about 1 to 2 minutes each sides. Done with this, we can put it on our breadcrumbs each side also for about 1 to 2 minutes. We can start cooking our French toast in a low fire and for about 2 minutes each sides. Depende po sa inyo yan kung gusto nyong brown, mas sunog, pwede po ninyong sunugin. Hehe, joke lang. Sus, nakusot.
That's perfect.
That's perfect?
Perfect.
Dito ako niya, Simay. So that is Kuya's perfect toast. So we're done cooking, so we can start plating. So this is perfect for our coffee, tea, milk, or just plain water or juice. And kids really love it. So we will see. This is soft in the inside, crunchy on the outside, and yum. Naghugas po ako ng kamay, hehe. Guys, for 3 eggs, we were able to make 6 French toast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.